So now let's see how we can work around with audio mixer inside of Filmora. So for that, first of all, I'm going to bring in a background music right here. So you can hear the background music out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out a voiceover that I have right here, which I can simply drop that in. So if I were to play them together, let's see how that actually sounds. So you can hear out the music is quite loud, but you do not really hear my audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the audio mixer, which is accessible from here, as you can see. So once you click on audio mixer, what happens is that you get this window. So you can just play around to hear out how that sounds. So now what happens is that there's two audio, as you can see right here. So this is the volume of one audio while this is the volume of another. So audio 1 is the one on the top. So if I were to play this, you can see that the audio level for this is much lower than for this one. So I'm just going to bring down the music right here and bring up the volume for this one. And now let's see how that actually sounds. Mixer lesson. So now you hear my voice quite clearly. So I'm going to play that out again. A test recording audio for Filmora audio. So that's how it sounds. So you can go around, increase the volume because I cannot really hear out the music. So I'm just going to hit the play button again. This is a test recording audio for... Now you hear out the background music as well. So another thing that you can do is you can work around with the left and right channel, as you can see. So this is the audio. You can also visually go around, push it more towards the left and music more towards the right, as you can see right here. The video layer, there's no video, so it doesn't matter when we work with the video layer right here. So now what will happen is that the audio, the voice will pop up from the left side while the audio will pop up from the right side. So if I were to press the play button, this is how you'll hear it. A test recording audio for Filmora. So now the audio actually comes up a bit more from the left side, but I'm just going to leave it out into center right here. You can go ahead and type in 0 to reset out the value just like this. So you can go around and change it to surround sound as well. So if you want to work around with the surround sound, you can go around and let's say you want the audio to come from the top, but you want the background music to come from behind. So what you can do is if you were to do this, you get the surround sound effect as well. It's as simple as dragging this around. Audio mixer lesson. So now what happens is that if you have more than one speaker, let's say 5 speakers, the music will come from behind while the voice comes from the front. But I'm just going to change around this to stereo right here. So this is the master volume right here. So these are for the individual layers, but let's say you want to increase out the volume entirely, then you just use this one out here and hit the play button. Recording audio for Filmora audio mixer lesson. So as I move around this, you can hear out that the audio becomes high and low accordingly. So you can work around with the decibel just like that as well. And that is how you can work around with the audio mixer inside of Filmora. And you can also use this solely for audio editing and export out audios from Filmora as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.